Yeah, I don't care. I just usually wear them because my eyes are crossed.
I'm at the edge of sunset. I'm looking in.
I think there's a liberation that comes with slimming down to two people where we were way more open to trying out new ideas all the time. And I think that, with the larger group of creatives, it kind of can slow things down and it can limit the risks that you're willing to take. And so we're just kind of in this place where we were throwing out new ideas all the time and seeing what would stick to the wall. And, moving forward with that kind of attitude, not saying, hey, we want to make something that is 80s, and if it doesn't sound 80s, let's not keep it, or we want to make something like this. We just wanted it to be good.
If you want to grow as a writer or a producer or as a creator, you have to push yourself way far outside of what you know how to do. Otherwise, you just fall back on the things that you already inform your writing process or the style, or and if it's guitar based, everything that we did was guitar based, and then you start writing songs on guitar, then obviously it's going to have a through line to what you've done previously. So we needed to push it so far away that we could grow and learn how to do something different. I grew up, my dad liked Prince, and I knew Prince, but I didn't know Prince, and then we got so deep into the Prince catalog, and it was a huge influence on the record. And then, 2 weeks after Miracle came out, Prince died, and it was just a horrible thing where you just finally found something that you were really into, and I think that was a really great influence for us.